Wood mood!
What's that?
That looks like
This
a
tool is
wood
not a
and
weapon
wood. No,
for domestic use only.
Only
All
for
right.
domestic use,
We're gonna make a knife, but you can only keep it at home.
And you can only cut butter with it.
Yes, yes, only butter.
Only
butter. Domestic
Domestic butter.
butter.
You can't use any other type of butter.
Oh gosh.
This looks like
What?
like that hidden blade, like that. You know?
It looks like a barn hinge. You know those barn hinges, like for a barn door, and you open the door. That just looks like a barn hinge.
Maybe it will.
Same shape. You know what would have been cool if you used an actual bar hinge and made that into a knife.
Yeah, this is lame.
Yeah, why would you cut it from a piece of
Why are you even doing this?
Exactly.
To be honest, it is a skillet though, an iron skillet. So
it should be pretty hefty.
pretty hefty,
Pretty hefty.
pretty strong, pretty dense. All right. All right.
What is this hole for?
All right.
It's a
Cutting through.
bottle opener
You
or
ruined the
something.
hole.
I
It's
don't-
no
I don't
longer a
know.
hole.
What is the shape?
Boom.
Where is the blade part will be?
That's
On the left?
blade. On the left, of course.
I thought it's handle.
Oh, maybe the right is like a little axe. Maybe it's like a little hatchet.
Yeah.
Maybe it is a hatchet.
Maybe
Have you
no.
read that book, Hatchet?
No,
I
I
highly
don't think
suggest-
anyone has read that book.
Really? I thought it was in the American curriculum as a just a normal book.
I just read Catcher in the Rye and Wuthering Heights.
I highly suggest you watch Hatchet.
Okay.
Watch.
Okay.
You read
Great.
Hatchet.
We'll watch it. This is
Oh,
a great very
That's a nice book.
Get out of here. We watched
gosh.
enough.
So we're sanding this down.
Why is there a square in the knife?
That's a good question.
That's interesting because at school they always told me not to be a square.
Oh! That's literally my whole life.
But why you are?
Okay, well,
All right.
this is interesting. I feel like they're gonna add a mechanism. Maybe it is one of those hidden blades that's like.
No. That was just for the thread, right? So he's just putting a thread in so you can
But what
thread
you gonna screw there?
a screw. Literally
screw,
a screw,
but-
yeah.
You will screw it to something.
Yeah,
Whoa,
but screw
he's,
just screw for no reason.
Yes.
Toughening the iron.
You have to actually dip it in.
What is that? What is that
In
called?
oil.
There we go.
What?
Yeah.
Hardening?
Yeah,
Or
the
something?
hardening, but I think there's a name for putting the metal inside. Ooh, that looks satisfying.
I thought they should use the machine oil or something.
Oh yeah, it's called metal hardening.
That simple?
Is the scientific term.
Write it in the comment.
Oh gosh, alright, so they've toughened the iron, and now
And it looks
they're
ugly.
sanding it.
It looks really ugly, yeah. Ah,
I have idea what is this.
What is it?
It's from your belt.
For your belt?
Yeah.
It's a buckle. It's a knife buckle.
Ooh.
That's very Assassin's Creed kind of. Like, it's
Yes.
not here, but it's in your belt because we're 21st century assassins.
not a sponsor.
Not as sponsors UBI.
See?
Alright.
Okay,
I guess so. I mean, I'm pretty sure actually.
That
I'm with you so far.
is actually super cool because that's a concealed weapon that only for domestic use.
Yeah.
So you can only wear this belt at home.
And you're like, where's the butter?
That's true. That's true. I must forget about this.
So where are you going with that belt? It's only for home use.
After work, you came, you know.
Right?
It is a belt, you're right.
That's awesome.
Oh, look
I
at
mean,
that shape.
It doesn't fit all the way in though.
I kind of want to see you at TSA,
Oh,
right? You
Ah.
take your belt off, you put
Yeah.
it into the screening machine, and you're like, "Whoa!"
I feel like that's dangerous. that looks.
I'm just
so
gonna
dangerous.
cut some cheese at home.
See? That's not
Shit.
butter.
That's not butter.
not butter.
That's cheese.
And it's a bottle opener. This time. All right, we're melting some stuff. Melting the ball. Down the hole. For what? Why are we doing this? Ah, so we can add in our pipage. Okay. All right, a nice little wire connection so you don't have any live wires exposed. And now it's waterproof. Pull that out, put that in, and it's a 5-minute craft favorite. It's a wire cutter. Easy. Well, that's subjective, isn't it? Copper tube, smash it up, drill it in, put it on, and twisty twist. Nice. We have some copper wire here. Making a Tesla coil. No, we're not. We're making a burner thing. Nice. I don't know what it's for, but it's really nice. Oh, it's for that. No, there's not enough space. What do we do? Just wrap them individually. Okay. That was like not, rocket science, but okay. What are we doing here? We're adding a hinge to 2 pieces of wood and then another wire cutter! Oh my gosh. I wonder how many wire cutters there are going to be here. Is this another one? No, it's not. This is just to hold the connection. Nice. Okay. Now it's the perfect connection. It's like you just matched on Tinder. And you both have the same bios. 6 foot tall, 6 digits. Easy. Alright. Again, subjective. Twist around these wires, clamp them together, pull it through. Okay. It's pretty good. I need that for like my my hoodies and stuff, where you know how like one of the pulleys goes into the hoodie so that you have to actually like reach in and try to get it out, but it never comes out, and then that hoodie is forever ruined. Heat shrink. Waterproof again! So many connections. What is this, LinkedIn? Alright, so more of this. Pretty good connection, not too bad. Oh no, my wires are all messy. I hate it when my wires are all messy. Alright, so we're gonna... Wow, what? Okay, alright. You have my attention. Okay.
I don't know.
Feels very dangerous to me.
mean,
Okay, chisel. Five. What?
Chisel? Fivel?
Fivel West?
That's cool. That's a little metal sander, right? Metal grinder.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
And
she's
they're
there.
getting the grind off. Get your grind off, mate.
Use it to draw on.
There we go.
Who needs paper when you can use burnt chisel?
That's like a perfect. If they cut, why would they cut that off? Because that's a perfect
For handle.
handle. Yeah, for
well, you
the
don't
knife.
know what they're using.
No, we
for.
don't. We don't.
Maybe it's
All right, get some.
necklace. I don't know. Not a
I think it's another knife.
I think it's a toothbrush.
Is it? You know, for who? For Jaws from Batman. No, from James Bond.
Yeah, exactly.
Remember that guy with the metal jaw?
Yeah, I miss him.
Yeah, he was a good guy. He was a anti-villain.
He was on like.
He turned good. He turned good at the end.
I've never
He really
seen that
did.
movie, so I'm like,
improvisation nation.
yeah.
You guys, you're missing out.
I'm Josh.
The old. He never talked.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
He was.
he was all like,
He was a misunderstood individual.
okay.
Anyway,
Yeah,
watch,
no one
watch
could
the
understand
old
me, didn't
James Bonds,
speak.
okay? Watch the old James Bonds. It's like with
Okay,
Sean
well,
Connery
well,
and Timothy Dalton.
Oh, Sean Connery.
Sean Connery.
Sean Connery.
What's he doing with this?
Indy, my boy.
Oh, that's from Indiana Jones.
Yes, I know. It's the only one with Sean Connery. I know. Okay. Anyway, so we're getting
Bond,
more.
James Bond.
What is that saw called?
Saw?
Saw.
No.
What?
The wire saw?
the Japanese in our name.
This is a wire saw.
It's a wire saw.
Wire saw.
There is
Tom
a wire
saw.
and saw.
We got a piece of wood for the hilt. Okay, we're screwing
There
it
we
in.
go.
Wow.
Screw that hilt. Would you like some water, Flint?
Yes, I would. I'm thirsty.
I like how he perfectly found the hole,
Yeah.
the thread for the screw.
Yeah.
Oh.
Magic almost.
Look, you know the irony. He's using the same tool.
The irony.
The irony. He's using the same tool to
Okay.
sand the same tool.
Looks like an old knife.
Yes.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Or something.
Same Japanese binding effect for the wood.
Yes.
All
And
right.
to make it look cool.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ebony black
But why then they cover with oil or
to
something? Epoxy?
double seal it, and this way you don't have to stain it with like a dark color. It will just be a dark color, I guess.
Okay.
Oof! Look at that.
Looks pretty sharp.
Yeah, it does. Oof!
This is how I felt making.
That is nice because look,
Yeah.
it still has that. Oh no, he's taking it away. Oh no, he's gonna leave it, right?
Yeah, he's leaving the.
Okay, good,
grit.
good. Because you can actually use it as a little metal sander and as a knife.
It kind of looks like the Buster Blade from
Look at that.
from Final Fantasy.
That it does
The one
actually.
that's
You're
huge.
right.
Yeah.